Here she is, finished. I am getting a new front dash put in. I'm doing a diamond plate aluminum. But here she is. Beautiful floor, cubby holes. Got golden rule organizer, pliers, hanger, all that good stuff. Getting new seats put in here soon. Gotta order them. But she's done. The HydroTurf flooring is freaking the cat's ass. Light wells. More light well. Fucking. It's awesome. Look at that right now. Cubby holes. Nice and tight. Battery box area. Of course, I got 4 batteries in there. 4 or 5, whatever it is. Built a new organizer in the back. Light storage. All that good stuff. But there she is. Good sweeping. She's done getting a new center panel. Diamond plate. But other than that, it should be good. Like I say, getting some new seats put in, and that area right there is going to be turned into a extra rod locker. There's a framing for it. Going to do all aluminum, so it'll be extra. That's what I want. More storage. You know, of course, I got these fancy things I built, aluminum, and just put some holes in them and rivet it. So it's more storage, so when they, you know, folds down, nothing happens. The same with these. Plenty of extra hanging. Same thing. I got 2 rolls. I got shower curtain rods and these little C-rings, stainless steel. More storage, hanging. Plus, the whole front of the bow will be covered in baits and stuff for fishing. But pretty much how she is. So there she is. Pretty stoked. Thank you.